Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2006 Lexus LS 460 maintenance light reset. We're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And we're going to be using these two buttons over here on the right side of the cluster. And we're going to be looking for trip A right here. So go ahead and press that trip button and go find trip A. Just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this reset button and turn your car on without starting, and you should see the blinkers running just like that. And we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.